हेलो यूट्यूब फैमिली। वेलकम टू अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग ब्लॉग बाय ग्रीनडेल। और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको लेके जा रहा हूँ टू वन गोल्डन पगोडा। इट्स इन द फुटहिल्स ऑफ द ईस्टर्न हिमालय between अरुणाचल एंड असम बॉर्डर इज़ द गोल्डन पगोडा ऑफ नामसाई। नामसाई का ये गोल्डन पगोडा है, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड कोंगमुखाम। इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल रोड, बहुत सुंदर रास्ता है, वेरी नाइस वेदर, गुड रिजॉर्ट्स, water places to play, sit around, hang out with your family and friends. It's a 2.5 hour journey from Dibrugarh. The closest airport, railway station, सब कुछ आपका यहाँ पर है. You can come by bus from Guwahati or any other part. You can fly back to Dibrugarh and you can reach out to these places. The roads are quite good. As soon as you enter the pagoda, you are welcomed by areca palm, different types of palm, cedar, pines. You have ficus. You can check out how beautiful it is. The serene green जो plants इसका है, landscaping, ये basically सब tropical humid climate में जो भी plants grow कर सकता है उसी को रखा गया है. जैसे ये साइकस आप देख सकते हो, they do very well here. It's very clean. आपको यहाँ पर कुछ भी गंदगी नहीं दिखाई देगा. You won't see any thing dirty around in this place. You can see bird nest ferns. Different types of orchids are also available in this area, in this pagoda. यहाँ पे बहुत सारा पाइन्स है, यहाँ पर ऑर्किड्स है, यहाँ पर different types of सीजियम्स है. So you can just enjoy, check out this. And if you have any question, anything that you want to suggest or let me know, please add that through the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. This pagoda mein you will also find different types of exoras. I'll show you some good varieties of roses too. ये आप देख सकते हो, these are Constellaceous orchid. ये फूल गया है अप्रैल मंथ में, अप्रैल से मई तक ये खिलता है. So they must have bloomed really pretty. आप देख सकते हो. After that, these are another ficus Long Island. You can see कितना बड़ा ग्रो हो गया है. So walking through the pine या palm trees, we reached the pagoda. The pagoda is really beautiful. बहुत सुंदर है ना. यहाँ पर कुछ chaos है. It's really peaceful. अगर आपको कहीं सुंदर जगह जाना है जहाँ पर आपको पीस चाहिए, you want to have some time for yourself and then have some good food, कोई रिजॉर्ट्स में जाना है, then this is a perfect place for you. You can definitely come, enjoy this place, have your family and friends time, and then you can add it to your memories. You can check out these roses, the different types of roses here, from tiny little varieties to huge varieties. Even different colors of them are available. So do enjoy. If you really want to know about the varieties of these roses, do add it in the comment section. I'll definitely reply and I'll let you know with the timestamp अगर आप हो सकता है. Most of these golden pagodas out here are influenced by Burmese architecture, because this belt around where this pagoda is set up, or the area is predominantly inhabited by the Khamti people, Thai Khamti people. They are basically Buddhists, and they are really peaceful people. They keep everything clean. They are calm, and you can see it in this video. Check out this rose color. Isn't it pretty? Do let me know. Enjoy कीजिए, ज़्यादा मैं बात नहीं करूँगा. I'm just trying to show you. If at all you're planning to visit Northeast someday, then do keep this in your chart, or visiting point where you should visit, definitely. There are also very good resorts around. So if you want to know more, then do let me know. You can see these plants, exoras. They are so pretty. A good number of tourists used to visit these places, but even then, it's quite clean and very peaceful. Similarly, when you walk around, you see dracaenas, you see different types of seasonal flowers. अभी देखो, अभी मंथ क्या है, अभी जून का महीना है. Even then you find seasonal plants या winter blooming plants, dracaenas. पहले जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था वो दलिया था. They are really doing good in this particular climate. They are jasmine, these are your bougainvilleas. When the season comes for flower, you will love this place. Even the jasmines grown around, जो grow कर रहा है, when they bloom, the area smells quite fantastic. Pollution is zero here. You will hardly feel pollution. The skies are blue, the waters are green. It's quite interesting and very clear. यहाँ पे आपको देखेगा अच्छे अच्छे कलर वाला प्यूमेरिया, और बहुत लोग चमेली भी बोलते हैं इसको. दे आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड दिस मेक्स द प्लेस स्मेल रियली फैंटास्टिक. सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक बने रहने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. मैंने बहुत दिनों से वीडियो नहीं डाला था. आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट टू वर्क हार्ड. I have not many videos, but to edit them and make them into a content for YouTube, it becomes really difficult for me. But I'm trying my best, and thank you so much for always supporting and being there with me with Greendale. We'll be back soon with another planned video. Until then, please do like, share, and subscribe. I'll pray for each and every one of you. Stay happy, stay blessed, keep sharing happiness, and stay healthy. Signing out from Greendale with an assurance to come back again with some more interesting video to help my viewers. Thank you and take care.